Hey YouTube, it's your girl, Mrs. Hazel Eyes 30. How are you doing? We're here today to talk about a review on Color Street. I'm pretty sure a lot of you all have had one of your friends reach out to you all and it's like, girl, get these nails. Went ahead with my friend and invested in her Color Street nails just to see how they were. And today I wanted to do a video of what they look like, how to put them on. We're going to apply them. And we're going to also, after we apply them, we're going to do a review on the application. Just to let you guys know, this is my first video, so please leave me feedback down below. Let's jump right in. These are the flag time. Let's see if we can get it in there. Boom, boom, ha ha ha. These are the flag time gal nails, and they're pretty. They look pretty cool, a little festive. I guess there's something like for the 4th of July. Before we begin, some of the supplies that I usually do, of course, we have our nails. It's already prepped, already clean. I usually like to have some nail files, a couple nail files, just to make sure that, you know, if I want to edge up my nails or anything after I'm done, I can do so. I also like to have a cuticle pusher, clear polish, nail remover, of course our cotton balls. Let's begin. Before we open them, I like to make sure that my nails are, again, all clean. They look clean today. They look pretty clear, you know, clear. But just in case they're not, to double check, let's go ahead and shake. And since my nails are clean, I'm just gonna, you know, we all know how to clean our nails. The cool thing I do like about the Color Street nail kit is that it does state that this is the product of the USA. Not only are we supporting our friends, but we're supporting the United States of America, so I think that's pretty cool. So let's dive in. Now, if you've never wore a pair of Color Street nails, these are really pretty cool. There's no mess. You just stick them on and go. Now, my personal experience, I've learned that there is a technique to doing these to make them last longer, so we'll go through those techniques. Now, of course, once you get the box open, it does have nice instructions for you where you can read those instructions. And just some of the instructions are, number one, which you always want to make sure, reading is fundamental. Number one, remove the clear film, clear cover from the nail. So once we go ahead and get into our actual nail application, you're going to want to remove that. Number two, peel nail strip, peel polish strip. Step 3, tear tab and select the end. Step 4, apply to nail. And then step 5, file. But before you begin, oops, I have a little thing. Let's go ahead and prep our nails. So they give you this cool little nail prep pad. Whoops. Oh yeah, this is on that side. A nail prep pad that you're to use before you apply the nails. So what I like to do, let's go ahead and let's prep our nails. So I'm gonna prep our nails. Let's prep our cuticles. Almost forgot a step. So yeah, you want to go in there and push your cuticle back. It kind of, it does make the nail look a lot neater. So you want to go ahead and push your cuticles back and get them, push your cuticles back, get them all cleaned. If you are a person that has an automatic cuticle, the cuticle tool, you can definitely use. The sets of the nails, they usually last, for me, about anywhere from 2 to maybe 3 weeks without any chipping. When I do the process, which I really like, because I am not a fan of chipping nail polish. I don't like when my nail polish chips or when it's, you know, just not looking its best. So we have those done. Now we apply. So again, when we go to apply, for me personally, the first one never fits someone else. I just always tear and pull that side. Second one, you see if it fits. You put it in your nail bed. Or if it goes around, boom. I like to save these slots for the fingers. I do one hand at a time. So let's start with our left hand. Hand at the time, so start with my left hand. This is from my left thumb. The next one, we're trying to find this finger. So, and if it's too big, it's okay. Because if it's too big, that just means you'll have more coverage. So, this is the pinky. Oops, thumb, pinky. I know that's too small. Let's go. Do it again. Clear strip off to the side. A nail comes off. Nail down. Put it in the nail bed itself. Nail bed. Make it smooth. Smooth it out. So both sides. We're gonna go back and clean all of this up in a second. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so now we have our nails fully installed. So now that we've put them all on, what our next thing to do is, like, to put in clear nail polish just to make sure that they have adhered perfectly. So what we're going to do, grab your favorite, you know, whatever you want to use. I personally, I just grabbed one for this video just to make sure I had one to use. So when applying the clear coat, I like to apply two type coats, you know, of course. One, once it dries, go back over, do another top coat, just to make sure it's sealed. What I found that this does with the nails themselves is that, again, no chipping or less chipping and less peeling. And I'm extremely hard on my nails. All right, so this is the final product. Flag Time Gal. I think this set has actually been discontinued, but this is the final look of how they turned out. I like them. I mean, I know, of course, once they dry and everything, but I think that these are really cute. If they are going out, I'm pretty bummed. But the cool thing is, again, after doing my whole set, you receive 16 of these. I still have enough to do a whole another set. I only used one of these and still had 2 left from that one. So I used 6 fingers to do 10 fingers. That's something to also remember is every Color Street set that you get, what I've been finding is you can get 2 sets of nails from those, especially if you're someone like me and you have long nail beds. I have very, very long nail beds. So for me, it's usually problematic to double up and be able to get 2 strips out of one or 2 nails out of one. Okay, so we just have finished doing our nails and everything. They're almost fully dry. Oops. They're almost fully dry. Yeah. So to save, remember, since we have all these nails saved, you should still have your clear pack. And on your clear pack, if you toe it at the top correctly, you should see the name of your nails that you got on that clear packet. So you don't have to worry about keeping the big container it came in. I'm usually good at this. Okay, there we go. All right. So if you get your clear pack open, go ahead and take your nails, drop them back in the clear pack. The reason we're doing this is because if you do not put these nails back in this clear pack, they will dry up. Me, since the sizes no longer matter, I rip them up into little pieces to make life easier on me. You don't have to rip them up. Again, I rip them up into 2s, but you don't have to rip them up into 2s. You can if you want. Your choice, your preference. I like things easy, so they just drop right in. These are my extra ones from the other nail set. So, I did not say that in the beginning of the video that this would be one of the things we need because fire safety, fire safety, fire safety. What you want to do is make sure that your nails are at the back of your package. You know, they're nowhere near the top. And just burn the edge. Just burn the edge. Burn the edge of the seal. You don't want to burn it too much to where you burn up your letters, but once you get it sealed, y'all done. You can store them for next use. Next time you want to use them, you have nails. All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, YouTube, for following me. I look forward to being your YouTuber.